What to do in Clifden? Are you curious about what to do in Clifden? This charming town in County Galway, known as the capital of Connemara, offers a delightful mix of activities for every traveler. Let's jump right into the highlights that make Clifden a must-visit destination. First, take a scenic drive along the Skye Road. This 16-kilometer route provides breathtaking views of Clifden Bay and the Atlantic Ocean. The best time to experience this drive is at sunset, when the colors of the sky create a stunning backdrop. Along the way, you will find viewpoints and the ruins of Clifden Castle, which is just a short walk from the road. Speaking of Clifden Castle, this Gothic-style manor house was once home to John Darcy, the founder of the town. The castle ruins are located about 2 kilometers from the town center and are surrounded by beautiful landscapes. It is a great spot for a leisurely stroll while soaking in the history of the area. If you enjoy horseback riding, Clifden has you covered. You can ride along the beautiful beaches, with options for both beginners and experienced riders. Imagine galloping along the shore with the waves crashing nearby. It's an unforgettable experience that combines adventure with stunning views. For nature lovers, Connemara National Park is just a short distance from Clifden. This park features diverse landscapes, including mountains, bogs, and grasslands. It is perfect for hiking and nature walks, where you can encounter native wildlife and enjoy the natural beauty of the region. Another nearby attraction is Kylemore Abbey, a striking Victorian-era abbey set against a picturesque backdrop of mountains and a lake. Visitors can explore the abbey, the Victorian walled gardens, and a neo-Gothic church. The atmosphere here is enchanting, even on misty days. When it comes to dining, Clifden's town center is lively and offers a variety of options. You can find traditional music pubs, cozy cafes, and restaurants serving everything from casual pub fare to fine dining. Popular spots include Guy's Snug and Mitchell's, both known for their welcoming atmosphere and local cuisine. Clifden also has a rich cultural scene. You can enjoy traditional Irish music sessions and shop for local crafts, such as Aran sweaters. For a deeper understanding of the local heritage, visit Dan O'Hara's homestead or the Connemara Heritage and History Center. If you are seeking more outdoor activities, the coastline near Clifden offers opportunities for surfing, exploring magical caves, and hiking along towering cliffs. There is something for everyone, whether you prefer a relaxed day at the beach or an adventurous outing. Clifden is a wonderful blend of natural beauty, history, and Irish culture. With so many activities to choose from, you are sure to find something that suits your interests. Whether you are driving along scenic routes, exploring historical sites, or enjoying local music, Clifden promises a memorable experience during your travels in Ireland.